Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today we're making samosas using egg roll wrappers. Get ready for a crispy, delicious samosas. Let's get started. First, we will prepare the minced filling for the samosa. 500 grams minced meat, beef, lamb, or chicken, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt to taste, 2 tablespoons oil. Heat oil in a pan. Add the minced meat, chopped onion, ginger garlic paste, crushed red pepper, cumin seeds, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, and oil. Mix well and cook until they are completely cooked and release oil and start leaving the sides of the pan. Seal the edges using a little flour and water paste or egg white. Put a tablespoon or 2 of the filling in the center of the wrapper. Seal the edges using a little flour and water paste or egg white. Press the edges to seal. Make sure to seal the edges properly to prevent the filling from escaping during frying. Don't overfill the wrappers, as this can cause them to burst open during frying. Heat oil in a deep frying pan and fry the samosas until golden brown. To make crispy samosas, fry these samosas on medium-low heat. Turn the heat to high for a second before removing the samosas so they release their extra oil. Serve hot with your favorite chutney or sauce. I hope this helps you to make delicious samosas using egg roll wrappers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.